Hi, guys, and welcome to the Meet Medic podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Suresh Kawadka. In today's episode, we're talking about earthing and grounding, and why do people do this? Well, a lot of people do it nowadays, and it's gaining popularity. And really, the basic premise is we just want to be connected to the planet, connected to the ground, and actually feeling the ground that we're walking on. So, if you're interested in learning about earthing, well, you've come to the right place. Now, I personally do earthing and I try and do at least about 20 minutes every day. And I really do feel like it actually lowers my stress levels. You can actually just feel the stress kind of just going down. But I want to talk a little bit just about the science behind it, some of the studies and so on as well today. Don't forget, guys, hit that like button, smash it if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you liked it, please share it and let me know in the comments down below if you do earthing and how you get on with it. Anyway, let's jump right in. So what is earthing and grounding? Well, it's the practice of connecting your body directly to the Earth's surface. Usually, we're going to be walking barefoot on the ground, and really, the more natural the ground, the better it really is. So the idea behind it is that kind of the body can absorb some of the Earth's natural energy, natural electrical charge, which some people claim has health benefits for them. So let's explore a little bit about the science. Now, the Earth's surface has a natural, mild negative charge due to an abundance of free electrons. When we walk barefoot on the ground, our bodies can absorb these electrons, which may help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation within our bodies. Now, some studies actually have shown that this really can be true, and that earthing might actually improve sleep, reduce pain, enhance overall well-being, and improve our physical and mental health. However, of course, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and long-term effects and benefits of earthing. So while the scientific evidence is still emerging, many people do feel that they get really good benefits from earthing. And these potential benefits include improved sleep. Now, some studies suggest that earthing can help the sleep and improve the sleep-wake cycle and improve the sleep quality. And if you are struggling with sleep, I do have another video on my YouTube channel. Definitely check that one out. It can also potentially reduce inflammation. And earthing can help to neutralize free radicals, as we said, and reduce the inflammation within the body, which of course we know is linked to various chronic health conditions. And number 3, it can enhance our mood. Connecting with nature and spending time outdoors has been shown to improve mood and reduce stress levels. And finally, number 4, some people report feeling just more energized when they do earthing. They feel more refreshed. And I have to say, I actually agree with that. I do it myself. I really do feel better after I've done it. Obviously, look, your mileage may vary, but for the most part, it's free. So what do you got to lose? Let's talk a little bit about how you actually do earthing, because it kind of sounds a bit out there, but it's really not. So incorporating earthing into your daily routine is pretty simple, and it doesn't really require any special equipment. All you need is bare feet. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So there are a couple of things that you can do to get the most out of it though. So number 1, walking barefoot on a natural surface, ideally as natural as possible, something like grass, sand, or soil. Even water will do. Obviously, you can't walk on water. That's another video. But aim for at least about 20 minutes to 30 minutes a day to maximize the potential benefits. Sit or lie down on the ground. It doesn't have to be your feet necessarily. It's just your skin. You're just connecting to the planet, basically. If walking is not an option, sit down, lie down on the ground, on the soil, on the grass, on the sand. It really does make a big difference. Number 3, choose the right time and place. So earthing is best done in a clean, natural environment, as natural as possible, away from pollution, pesticides, noise, interference, other electrical charges, and so on. Number 4, stay safe. Of course, look, you don't want to be walking on broken glass. walking on hot coals, anything like that. Look, that's probably not going to be particularly good for your stress levels. We don't want to be burning our feet, so just be mindful of the dangers of walking around, obviously, with bare feet. So earthing is very simple. It's a very natural practice. A lot of people do it. A lot of people find benefit. I myself do it personally. I do find great benefit in it. And I would recommend everyone to actually do it. I recommend it in my clinical practice to patients when I'm talking to them about stress levels, their cortisol, how to try and reduce all that down. And it's a way that we can try and move away from drugs and medications for treating stress to something that's a lot more just natural, which I think is a really, really good idea. So if you're interested in doing earthing, start by incorporating it into your daily routine. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that's all you need. You can do it while you're doing other things. So you can be outside, you can be doing other things, talking to your family, spending time with other people. You can be having a drink outside, whatever it is. Just get your feet, get your skin on the ground, onto the planet, and connect. Very simple. So that's it for today's episode on earthing and grounding. If you've liked it, if you found it useful, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments, share it around to your friends. It really does help out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.